Hi friends, welcome to Shruti's Kitchen. I will be creating a series of videos that will help you learn the basics of making delicious cakes. Today we will learn about the appliances used in various phases while baking. The first thing we need is something in which we can cook or bake our cakes. It can be a conventional OTG or a microwave oven. And if you don't have any of these, you can also use a pressure cooker or a wok, which is also known as kadai in Hindi. Here I have a Morphy Richards OTG with 52 liters capacity. So this is a quite big oven. You can see here, in which we can bake 2 to 3 bases of cakes simultaneously. Here we have knobs to control the temperature, to select the function and to set the timings. The next appliance we need is a mixer or beater in which we can mix our cake batter and also the whipping cream. Please make sure to use a mixer or a beater with a motor power of 300 watt or above, else you may not get high standing peaks with your whipping cream, which is a sign of a stabilized whipping cream. Here I use Philips 400 watt motor. It can also be converted into a hand blender. The best feature of this mixer is the base also rotates with the whisker, so that we can get all the ingredients mixed properly. The next thing we will need is something to measure our ingredients with. You can use a digital measuring scale or measuring cups. Let me show you how to use the digital scale. If you want to add 10 grams of sugar into your batter, then to measure it on scale, you will first keep a container or a bowl on the scale like this. You can see the scale is showing the weight of the bowl. Here you need to press this stir button, to normalize the weight to 0. Now when you add the sugar, you can easily able to measure the amount of sugar properly. Here we have 14 gram sugar. And the other option, as I said, are the measuring cups, which have the gradation to help you to measure your ingredients, like 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, like this, 1 tablespoon. So the next thing on my list is a cake slicer. After making the base, we need to cut them into slices. So here we have a big knife. With the help of this, we can cut the base into slices, or with the help of a wire slicer, we can cut the cake base into the slices. Here you can adjust the height of the wire to cut the cake base into slices. Here and here you can easily adjust the height of the wire and you can cut the base into the slices, or you can use the thread to cut your base into slices. I preferably use the thread to cut my base into slices. The next thing on my list is rotating table. It's an optional thing and it is used for decorating the cakes. Last but not the least, these are our cake tins in which we put our cake batters and bake the cake. It comes into different shapes and sizes. So these are the appliances that we will use in baking our cake. In my next video, I'll show you how to make basic sponge cake. Thanks for watching.